lecture. Scanning. Scanning is the first phase of active hacking and is used to locate target systems or networks for later attack. Enumeration is the follow-up on step once scanning is complete and is used to identify computer names, usernames, and shares. Scanning and enumeration are discussed together in this lecture because many hacking tools perform both steps simultaneously. After the reconnaissance and information gathering stage have been completed, scanning is performed. It is important that the information gathering stage be as completed as possible to identify the best location and targets to scan. During scanning, the hacker continues to gather information regarding the network and its individual host systems. Information such as IP addresses, operating system, services, and installed applications can help the hacker determine which type of exploit to use in hacking a system. Scanning is the process of locating systems that are alive and responding on the network. Ethical hackers use scanning to identify target systems' IP addresses. Scanning is also used to determine whether a system is on the network and available. Scanning tools are used to gather information about a system such as IP addresses, the operating system and services running on the target computer. Types of scanning. Scanning type. Port scanning. Purpose. Determines open ports and services. Network scanning. Identifies IP addresses on a given network or subnet. Vulnerability scanning. Discovers presence of known weaknesses on target system. Port scanning is the process of identifying open and available TCP/IP ports on a system. Port scanning tools enable a hacker to learn about the services available on a given system. Each service or application on a machine is associated with a well-known port number. Port numbers are divided into three ranges. 1. Well-known ports 01023. 2. Registered ports 1024 49151. 3. Dynamic ports 49152 65535. For example, a port scanning tool that identifies port 80 as open indicates a web server is running on that system. Hackers need to be familiar with well-known port numbers. Common port numbers. On Windows systems, well-known port numbers are located in the c/windows/system32/driver/etc/services files. Services is a hidden file. To view it, show a hidden file in Windows Explorer and double-click the file name to open it with Notepad. The CEH exam expects you to know the well-known port numbers for common applications. Familiarize yourself with the port numbers for the following applications: FTP21, Telnet 23, HTTP 80, SMTP 25, POP3 110, HTTPS 443. The following list contains additional port numbers not necessarily on the CEH exam but useful for real world penetration testing. Global Catalog Server, LDAP Server, LDAP SSL, IPsec, ISAKMP, NetT, RPC, ASP.NET Session State, NetBIOS Datagram Service, NetBIOS Session Service, DHCP Service, LDAP Server, SMB, RPC, DNS, IMAP over SSL, POP3, POP3 over SSL, RPC over HTTPS, SMTP. Network scanning. Network scanning is a procedure for identifying active hosts on a network, either to attack them or as a network security assessment. Hosts are identified by their individual IP addresses. Network scanning tools attempt to identify all the live or responding hosts on the network and their corresponding IP addresses. Thank you.